figure this out. Okay. In today's innovative environment, companies have to prototype rapidly and inexpensively to survive. However, filaments can often be expensive and they are limited in functionality, even though 3D printing has become a fabulous tool of choice. We've solved both of these problems. At Recycl3d Planet, we've managed to transform PET plastic water bottles into low cost, the lowest cost on the market, 3D printing filaments that can perform the same as virgin quality and they can conduct electricity. So basically picture as if you could print or shape something that you want in whatever shape you want and use it as a circuit board, like a solar panel. It's incredibly disruptive and it can unlock the potential of 3D printing. There are 16 different vertical markets with use cases for this, from smart packaging to building integrated photovoltaics to even 3D printing a coral reef. One of our 11 beta partners is a biomedical engineering institution in India. That pictured above is a photo of them taking about 88 water bottles to 3D print the hand that you see with our material. We're also working with a leading spinal surgeon who's working to 3D print patient spines for prototyping before a surgery to improve accuracy. Having a technology like that in market a year ago would have saved my dad from being on life support today, which is making this the most important pitch I've ever made. We also have a strong business case. We can undercut our competitors by over 30% while maintaining an incredibly comfortable margin and 100% of the same performance quality as virgin PET, in addition to our conductivity. We keep these low costs because we're working with waste management partners to process the recycled PET flakes, which are lower input costs than virgin material, and transform them into spool, sheets, or filaments for manufacturing. We have a portfolio of wholly owned patents that also give us the optionality to license this material. It's a $21 billion market space, and we're hoping to grow that by up to another $87 million within the first 3 years of organic photovoltaics emerging into the market. That's what we classify our material as when it's conductive. The 3D printing market is growing faster than hardware, and 88% of it right now is made out of plastic completely. Our first target market to help build trust in this incredibly trust-based supply chain is higher education and research labs. 40 of 40 stakeholders that we spoke to in this area confirmed an interest in sustainability, giving our product recycled properties an edge, and they also have a high capacity to adopt. We have 11 beta partners already, and we're working with them to produce, we've already produced 30 kilograms of our product in market, and $25,000 would help us get enough product to service those 11 beta partners and make it the rest of the way. We have an excellent team with 70 years of combined proven business and engineering experience and a disruptive solution to transform the world with waste. Thank you.